what we're looking at here is a 1993 Casablanca Victorian. Now, it is in very good shape, but this was one of those cases where the seller treated it like crap and messed up the blades. First of all, it was originally 5 blades. The seller was sitting the fan on the blades and it cracked one of the blade arms and destroyed it. So that was trash. But thankfully, it is a 4 or 5 blade flywheel, so I was able to install it with 4 blades. And the rest of the blade arms, the rest of the 4, were intact. However, they still got pretty messed up. They were all bent and mangled all over the place. And when I installed the fan, it was wobbling really, really bad. So I kind of just bent them back into alignment. And now it's a lot better, although it's still far from perfect. It's a lot better than it was. It was an absolute mess before. But cosmetically, it is in really good shape. So when I got this fan, it had a long down rod, which is right back here. And it was missing the hanger ball. Literally, it was missing the ball. How the hell do you misplace a hanger ball? I don't know. But this is another one I stole off of that Delta 2 there. So unfortunately, I really don't have a hanger ball for it. It was also missing the 4 long crossbar screws, and it was missing the canopy hatch, and I had all that stuff in my spare parts inventory, thankfully. Bearings are pretty good. Start off with demo mode. Now, if you were to take a little bit more time to align the blades a little bit better, it would probably get better. Doesn't wobble much by any means. Before, it was about to frickin' wobble the house down. There's just a bunch of racket upstairs. Go to speed 2 first. 2, 4, and 6. Instead of 1 through 6. Funny thing is, with the cracked blade arm, you know, I had to install it with 4 blades, and the fan I got right before this one was an antique brass Delta 2 with the same issue. Seller sat it on the blades, snapped the blade arm, and it was trash. And I ended up installing that one with 4 blades. So 2 fans in a row had the same encounter there. This fan does use the K55. again, I'll say this again just for a note for anyone who might be buying this fan from me in the future, there is no hanger ball. Again, I don't know how someone can lose a hanger ball like that. But you never know with some of these Facebook Marketplace sellers. You just never know. And there's high speed. And that's how much it shakes there. Nothing too serious, but it could be better. Before it was like hitting this air duct here, that's how bad it was. And I'll stop talking here. That's about all I got for this bright brass Casablanca Victorian from 1993.